Okay, imagine this. You're playing Russian roulette, you spin the cylinder of the revolver with 1 in 6 chance of getting shot, but instead of a revolver, it's a shotgun at point blank range, and actually instead of a 1 in 6 chance of a bullet in the chamber, it's more like a 50-50. And you're also playing against a super smart AI that will always know the best move.
Why would I imagine that? That sounds so stupid and dangerous.
And dangerous.
Well, this is basically the premise of Buckshot Roulette, a horror/puzzle game by Mike Klubnica. Blank shells or live shells are randomly loaded into a shotgun by the dealer, an AI and omnipotent seeming creature that has apparently killed God. Items spawn later in the game that can help you a lot, such as revealing the current round in the chamber. Pair this with, say, another item that can double the damage of the shotgun, and well. Anyways, hi, I'm Spicy Ham, but my real name is Kyle. Just call me Kyle. I'm an animator/artist who you may know from these silly Terraria animations I've done, and I've recently picked up game development as a hobby. And a couple months ago, I was fascinated by these big streamers playing this game and role-playing like idiots. After a while, an idea started brewing in my head. What if I took Buckshot Roulette, but made it into a tabletop-like multiplayer phone game? Like, imagine pointing your phone at someone's face and shattering their eardrums from the noise. It's kind of like those old iPhone games where you tap the screen and a gun PNG would fire or virtual beer would pour into your mouth, but for Buckshot Roulette. And so, this is the making of multiplayer Buckshot Roulette. So, I started work on the game by drawing some concept art. It's a piece of shit. Ignoring the horrendous drawing, you can kind of see where I was going with this game. So essentially, the phone will display you and your opponent's items and health so you can make informed decisions. Now, we have two main problems with developing for mobile games. Number one, some mobile games just aren't that strong performance-wise, so making a performance-heavy game will just completely brick some phones. Luckily, my computer is probably worse than most phones in terms of graphics, so if it runs smoothly for me, then it'll probably be fine for you guys. And number two, mobile input is different from a computer. You can't really expect to press WASD on a keyboard and expect it to work on mobile. But thankfully, Buckshot Roulette is exclusively played with a mouse, meaning all you have to do on a mobile device is tap.
So, we actually have a third problem. Buckshot Roulette is dying. And if I don't make this game... Look, I'm not some Roblox dev that can make a game called, like, Buckshot Gun in, like, 3 days after the game came out, okay? Basically, what I'm trying to say is that we gotta work fast. We gotta get this done.
So, I made a new Unity project in 2D and made sure to name it something very appropriate. Perfect. Then I waited for 10 years, switched the platform for mobile devices, waited for another 10 years, installed the input system, waited for another 10 years. But then I realized if I wanted to create the cool dynamic camera shots of Buckshot Roulette, the game just couldn't be in 2D. So, it was time to go into... This was kind of a big deal because I've only ever made games and animated in 2D, and there's kind of stuff like 3D modeling and animations that I have to worry about, but I was determined. And after a bit of coding and noodling around, I got a very early bad prototype running. You can kind of see how this could be put on a phone now, as well as the beginnings of a bullet sequence, health bar, and gun. Also, my friends were there.
What are we supposed to do?
Not just say where the
I love backshots.
okay, this is the progress I have so far. You can shoot the other guy.
I love backshots.
Text at the top. Shut up, bro. Shoot the other guy. The other guy. Blank. The blank. 5. Blank. There's Mare. What do you think of it?
I love backshots.
Man, I sure do love backshots.
Yeah. I love backshots.
I'm gonna put your selection.
No.
The The next day, I got a basic item system working. You can kind of see how when I use this red thing, my health goes up. Kind of like the beginnings of a cigarette, kinda, almost. We also have detection for when the game is finished, basically when you run out of health. Now the game right now, it's a pretty tragic sight, and that's because there's absolutely no art for the game. In 2D games, you just draw something and put it into the game, but for 3D games, you have to make 3D models. Now, I barely touch 3D modeling, but one of the best softwares for beginners and even professionals is Blender. I even used it for this video. However, as mentioned before, my PC is literally doo-doo water, and while trying to render that scene, my PC completely bricked itself, and I had to send it to one of my friends' gaming PC to render. So I started seeing if there's any alternatives. Fortunately, I found this awesome tutorial by Brandon James Greer for modeling in a software called Blockbench. It's normally meant for Minecraft models, but I really like the low poly pixel art look of the stuff you can make, so I decided to try it out by modeling the shotgun. I'm pretty happy with the model, and I really love how intuitive the dragging of the faces / edges and the pixel art were. Suddenly, I feel a lot more confident about this whole 3D thing. Take that, Blender! I then modeled a shotgun shell with a different texture for the live and blank shell. Now, we're ready for school, ready to import these to Unity. The lighting's a bit wonky, but it works for now. I made the table of the game next and imported it to Unity like usual, and After a little googling, I found out that the normals were flipped. What this means is that some faces of the model were facing the wrong way. Unity doesn't render backwards faces to save on resources, and so it results in this. Why were the normals flipped? I don't know. I looked everywhere for how to flip normals in Blockbench, but to no avail. There was, however, guides to flip normals for a different program. I'm sorry, Blender. After following a tutorial, poof, it works. I can also replace the health bar now with the screen. And now with an improved camera script, I can show the health bar clearly. Actually, hold on, I can't seem to use any items. Okay, there we go. But now I can only use the opponent's items. My game has a lot of bugs. Also, I flipped player 2's point of view because that's how it'd actually be on a phone. I added the in-between animation so you can pretend to drink a beer, but right now it's kind of just the Google logo going up and down. But also you can see the bullets now, so that's cool. Okay, it's about time we make this game look pretty, so let's try downloading the high definition render pipeline, and oh my god, there's 5 errors every second. Go back. Maybe I'll try this later. I added a main menu as well as a win screen showing which player won. I also added confirmation buttons for items so your fat fingers don't accidentally blunder you.
It's a bullet in there, right?
Alright, I've been working on this game for a while, and it's about time I back it up with source control. So I've never done this before, but I've heard it's not too hard with GitHub, and oops, I just backed up my whole Unity folder with 172,000 files. Okay, let me fix that.
I deleted my whole Unity folder with all of my projects!
Don't worry guys, I got it all working. I modeled the dealer's hands. Importing it to Unity, and it's kind of cursed, not gonna lie. Hopefully it'll look better when I do the pixel art for the dealer. Okay, it's about time we replace these arrow thingies with actual items, so I modeled up the handsaw, the beer, the cigarettes, magnifying glass, and handcuffs. We also have custom names so you can tell who's who. That's what you'll use it for, right? I also made the hands move and grab onto the items you use. So now you can... My word! What a fine evening to smoke 5 cigarettes back to back, drink 3 cans of beer, then proceed to shoot myself with a shotgun. Jolly good show! My friends have been planning a beach day for a while now, and the day is fast approaching, so I better actually build the game for mobile devices. Unfortunately, Apple makes it impossible to build for iOS, so only Androids can run the game. So let me try with my mom's phone. Well, that's a problem. I can't playtest the game on my own. So hopefully when Beach Day comes, everything works okay. For now though, let's just work as fast as possible to try and make something passable. Main menu, animations, sound effects. It's a little quiet, so let me just... So instead of removing that, I just added it as a feature because I'm a good game dev. Oh god. I entered in your house.
I'm so ready to play Backshot Roulette.
Isn't this yours?
I don't use it.
My brother uses it. It's my brother.
Yeah. Playing Smash Bros. Guys, look, I won. This is going to fly. only this part. In a row. 2 out of 2 games. Guys, say I'm good for the camera.
I'm good.
Are you okay with being recorded? Okay. Oh my god, it's working. Wait, turn up the volume.
This is good.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
wait, what's 4 lives? 4 lives?
and
I just
one
shoot
blank.
at you, no?
Yeah,
Can I
generally.
cancel?
Nope.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
it's
you're
like that in the
locked
real
in, bro.
game. So.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you're done.
Oh, you not could, bro.
What?
Oh, also,
Yeah, I
wait.
think the animations are
Also-
backwards, aren't they?
In
Okay,
case-
no. It's like, it worked right. Like, I lost a life.
Yeah.
But, like, the gun shot at him.
Yeah.
Okay, my game's so broken right now.
No, it's literally
okay,
perfect.
I
like how that cigarette clipped through his hand. 4 blanks, 2 lives.
4 lives, 2 blanks.
4 lives, 2 blanks.
No, buddy. Oh.
Hold it up to your head.
Oh! Well, you're dead now, right?
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
It's not like 50 saws, bro. It's not
Okay,
like
now go to extras. Go to yeah. So you can adjust settings as necessary. Yeah, you can only. Oh,
I'm trying to go for the fastest game, bro.
And you'll see there's an option called ear damage.
What?
You sure?
yeah, and also name yourself. What did you name yourself?
I'm Albert, he's Olgie. 1 live.
I can't read.
There are 3 lives.
3 lives and 5 blanks.
Oh no. Oh.
That was kind of loud.
You're right. Oh my god. Wait, so now it's a 3-2 chance. Who are you gonna shoot? What's the point of the razor? What
There's no point.
Wait, can you eat a cigarette?
I tried, it didn't do anything.
That's how it is in the real game.
Yeah. yeah.
You're at the beach.
Guys,
How does this work?
The best experience, you want to put it up to your ear when you hear it.
Yeah.
What is?
You know how to play Buckshot Roulette?
I watched a video about it though.
Did you watch the Pirates Cinema video?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought you.
Wait. Oh, it's not on. It's not on.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi. I'm Icy's underscore.
I'm Icy's Minecraft. https://youtube.com/icyz.
Update. We dug the hole and now we're gonna bury this guy. How do you feel about being buried?
Good.
Do a sit-up, all at once, don't cheat it. Start jacking it, bro.
Go, 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 go!
Oh.
Oh, it looks like he's naked. Okay. I had a lot of fun, but safe to say the game was kind of a mess, so let's get polishing. Personally, I like Google a lot, but not enough to keep it just like this, so let's draw up some items and animate them. More sound effects. Half of them are from this awesome Madness Combat Pack from Sturix. I really enjoy making music. I'm a total noob at music theory, and the most I really know is like triads, but it's still fun clicking around until something sounds good. Anyway, I was really excited to make some remixes for this game, so I started with the main menu music. Here's the original, and here's the remix. The game, even with better animation, still looks pretty bad. So let's try to install a better render pipeline that's not as overkill as the high definition run. After clicking a few buttons, I somehow got everything to work okay. Now, all we need is a full screen shader. Where is the full screen shader? Yeah, so apparently my version of Unity doesn't have that, so let's upgrade. The next morning, I set up some simple pixelation and posterization shaders, and instantly it's looking a lot closer to Buckshot Roulette. I really love the grimy and crunchy look this gives the game. Next, I created some remixes of General Release and Before I Reload. I think it'd be really cool if you could customize the dealer, so I sketched out some ideas and here they are in game. We have the two normal dealers from the original game, kind of worried one, dealer that's seen some stuff, a real happy one, and... Okay, I really want to challenge myself now and make an original song for this game, since all the songs I've made so far have been remixes. After a bit of work, I think I made something pretty cool.
Shots, bullets, and red dots. Chicken by blind spots. Mistake of aim dots. Headshots. Guaranteed. To get up on this weed. I never got eat, but I will to beat it directly if you can. You're the best of all eated. You're the shoot you will you red. I won't get shot until it's red. Put the bullet in your head. You're the best of red. True you and not better red. Put you on your best bed. Put the bullet in your head. You're the best of all eated. You're the shoot you will you red. I won't get shot until it's red. Put the bullet in your head.
End screen right now is really outdated, so I fixed it and added a cool animation, and with Unity's particle system, here's the end result. After a quick...
I'm so confused.
I just noticed another bug.
There's two blank ones, bro. Are we serious?
wait. But painful playtest. I fixed some bugs, did some polish, and sent an email over to Mike Klubnica, the guy who made the game. Oh, by the way, the release of this game depends solely on him giving permission. So, hopefully he does that. And at last, the game is done. I like to show my friends the game as is, but I think it'd be a bit boring with just a phone, no? Should be home, but I don't know. I don't see anyone. No.
Who's there?
I don't know.
Do you want to play backshot roulette? No.
Recording, right? Okay. Can your phone fit in here? Oh shit, you're right.
Let's see whose phone is cool.
Just jam it in there. I don't know.
Take off the case, guys. I ordered a phone case from Temu.
Booyah!
Guys,
Okay.
Why is it upside down?
No, it's fine.
flip the shotgun.
Oh, that's three lives, 3 blanks.
Okay, hopefully it's alive so then I can shoot someone.
We should add holes here to conduct the sound.
I do have them.
Oh, it just sucks ass.
Now it's gonna be not live, right? Because the odds, right? So I should shoot myself.
Dude,
Put it to your head.
put to your head.
Oh, right.
You suck.
Did you go twice?
Twice?
No? Okay, I don't like how it doesn't burst my eardrum though.
Do I have permission to flip it with your phone in it?
Wait, do it again. I didn't catch it.
Oh, do it again, dude.
Third tries the charm.
You want to drink the beer? Does anyone want to drink?
We need some more guests.
Someone want to drink?
I think
the beer?
Sinan should do it.
Someone to go like this.
Me, I'll do it. It'll
Someone
be
to
like
go
Fortnite.
like-
Like
and then-
Fortnite chug jug.
You'll be at the start of the video. You sure? We're gonna record like a Discord part, and then it's gonna be real life.
What's your Discord profile again?
I'm losing aura with this one, chat.
Whoa.
Let me put in my name. It's Sigma.
Who's going first?
Me, because I'm the best.
Sigma goes.
I can't count this way. Yo, I think so. You have 5? Always start with magnifying glass, people.
Like exploding.
Oh, it's safe. It's safe.
It's safe, unless I.
I'm gonna shoot myself. All calculated. It's still my turn. It's still my turn. It's still my turn.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't need a handkerchief.
Okay.
And statistically, I'm shooting myself again.
Type.
When does your turn end?
Oh. When I mess up. Guys,
No.
Round 3, always use handcuffs.
True? That's
And
the
then
strat?
shoot your opponent.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Statistics.
All statistics. My bad.
You shoot yourself.
I got distracted.
Oh, statistics.
Statistics.
never lie.
Statistics.
My turn.
When does your turn end?
Statistics say when he loses this statistic. You shoot yourself again.
Lucas, you have to.
Statistics say.
Statist-
So you shoot the opponent.
Shoot the opponent. Let's see it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
No,
Statistics say I gotta shoot
visuals
myself.
might fix it.
Oh, handcuffing his ass.
Statistics
I'm too
say.
strong for that.
Whoa.
Statistics never lie.
Guys, it actually feels good when you don't have a bug in your game.
Oh my Sigma. No bugs.
3. Statistics.
You know what's
never.
Statistics never lie.
Oh, it's not a professional statistician.
Oh my. Statistics never lie. Statistics never lie.
Statistics.
Oh!
Statistics never lie.
Statistics never lie. Oh!
I think the run is over.
The kids dicks never last.
The kids dicks never lie. The kids dicks lie, bro. The kids dicks lie.
Do it. Do it.
Wait, record his spin. Record his spin.
Valorant.
Wait, that was tough. Oh, that was so tough.